This gift is from my ninang.
From who? Who's Ninang?
Ninang Ami.
Wow. What's inside?
I will open it.
Sure.
Thanks. Here. Yan. Yeah. Yan.
Oh, what is the message? You will not read the message?
I will read the message.
What is it?
This one is from Ninang Ami. You buy it there in SM.
Wow.
I will open it. I will open it. Mom, how I will open
You
it?
rip.
Huh?
You can rip it. It's okay.
What's inside? Wow. Besides this. Yeah, I open it.
You better rip it, you know. What are you planning to do? Oh my golly. Oh my golly. Ooh la la.
A stroller. A stroller. A stroller. What?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a chair.
A chair? How I will open it? Huh?
It should be like this.
I cannot sit on it.
Yeah, not able. Should be outside. Oh, let's go.
There. It's fit. Thank you, Ninang. Give me my chair. Thank you, Ninang. I love you, Ninang. Here's for my toy.
That's for your drinks. For your water.
Huh?
That's for the water.
Do you get it?
Oh, not now.
It's too small. It's too small, right?
No, it's just fit.
It's big.